This task pays $38 an hour, and all you have to do is record your screen. Hi, I'm Cletus Igbe. On this channel, I explore AI tools, online opportunities, and digital platforms to help you save time and find what actually works. Companies building AI need real, everyday audio, video, and conversation data, and they pay people directly for it. Luel is the middleman that connects you to those tasks. You find a task, you record or upload what they ask for, and once it's approved, you get paid. That's it. 3 steps. Look at these live rates. American English conversation, $15 an hour. CAD design capture, $38 an hour. Language conversations like Turkmen, Balochi, Guarani, $7.50 an hour, just for having a normal conversation in your own language. And this updates constantly. New tasks drop every week, and they're not locked to one country. If you speak a language, own a phone, or just have a normal conversation with a friend, there's probably a task for you. Now here's the one thing that trips people up. You can browse and see the rates without an account. But the second you click View Task to actually start one, it sends you to sign in. If this is your first time on Luel, don't panic. You just need to make an account first. It takes about a minute. Head to app.luel.ai and hit Sign Up instead of Sign In. Fill in your basic info, name, email, age range, gender, hit Continue, and follow the verification steps. No credit card, no payment upfront. Completely free to join. Every task comes with clear instructions. What to record, how long it should be, what to avoid. You record or upload or straight from the site, hit Submit, and it goes into review. Once it's approved, the money lands in your balance. And you can literally watch your earnings tick up in real time on some tasks. This is the part everyone actually wants to know. How do you get the money out? Head to Earnings. You've got 3 payout options: PayPal, Wise, and Stripe. Minimum payout is just $5, so you don't need to wait weeks to cash out. Quick honest note, this isn't going to replace a full-time income for most people. Realistically, it's extra cash for spare time. But it's real money, it's flexible, and it costs nothing to try.
So that's Luel, start to finish. Sign up, pick a task, upload, and cash out through PayPal, Wise, or Stripe.
And if this helped, like, subscribe, and comment below. I'm covering more of these apps soon.